Scan for Transport is a global working group involving logistics service providers, shippers and solution providers from around the world. The group has developed a standard for encoding the key information required to support the transport process into a 2D barcode on the logistics label. The standards were ratified in August 2020 and piloted across the world in early 2021. Scan for Transport is delivering digital capability across the transport process.
We are close to going live with the Scan for Transport standard encoded in a 2D data matrix barcode. This will enable us to include a rich data set on each parcel label. As our customers also adopt Scan for Transport, we will be able to read their 2D barcodes as well. This replaces a bespoke identifier that didn't include a check digit. We've already seen a reduction in the misreads.
At Avery Dennison, we have incorporated the Scan for Transport standards into our solution set. The GS1 Scan for Transport standards are the foundations for unlocking efficiencies, agility, and visibility across the supply chain. Leveraging global standards enables you to future-proof your business's infrastructure investments.
For VTFE, the importance of the Scan for Transport group was to establish a uniform data set for which we could communicate digitally with our network and our customers, which is reducing the impact on our customer service teams. The Scan for Transport standards, they've enabled interoperability across many of our networks, and given that in many cases that's many links in the supply chain to regional areas, it's also added benefit to our smaller partners whereby they're servicing remote regional areas. Hopefully see this as a standard more widely adopted across industry.
Polar Express got involved in Scan for Transport because we really believe it will make freight talk. Rich information that can be embedded into the labels that will allow us enormous gains in both efficiency and redundancy.
We witnessed our customers struggle with interoperability between themselves and their transport partners and subcontractors and so forth. We saw this as a way that was a low-tech initiative that they could implement between each other without a massive investment, be able to provide some efficiency gains within their own business, but then ultimately raise the bar in relation to customer service. Globally, very few logistics providers service the end-to-end journey of freight. By working together, utilising Scan for Transport, they can immediately exchange valuable freight data with little impact to their existing systems. This will provide for efficiency gains, increased visibility and customer satisfaction, most importantly.
Given the scan technology that we use here at SIG, I had a lot of interest in understanding how much effect that has on the decoding times of the technology. Getting involved gave me that opportunity to look at that and provide some testing along those lines. And as I found out, it didn't really have any impact on the technology. I would say that technology 10 years ago would still be able to read the barcode.
The Scan for Transport standards will provide additional resilience at times when the electronic messaging has not been received. This includes their automated sorting and routing processes, as well as first and final mile execution. Scan for Transport should also enhance the processes of our partner carriers in the same way. Importantly, the end result is a higher quality of service for our customers.
So just like retailers collaborated and innovated 50 years ago to implement a standard barcode to transform the retail industry, it is time for freight transport industry to collaborate and build innovative solutions using a common barcode.